because your open houses are invite only and you're doing the party club thing, like, hey, you're part of the VIP group. Are people carded when they show up? Like, hey, here's my invite. I personally had an invite, or do you just?
No, and it's not invitation only. It's just specifically for those luxury communities where they're gated.
Uh-huh.
People have family members they would love to move into these areas, and there aren't usually a lot of homes for sale. And so they're open to everyone. It's just we hand deliver invitations to those specific gated communities.
And
Uh-huh.
no one else outside of the community is really going to go because it's gated, and the HOA is not going to allow, access through that gate
Uh-huh.
usually, unless you've got permission and the guard is there and IDs everyone and those kinds of things. So those are all definitely a lot more exclusive.
Got it.
And normally those people want to choose their neighbors. And so they're waiting for a home to come available so their mother or their siblings or an auntie can move into the area. And so normally it's family members who refer someone else to come move in.
So choose your neighbors, that the neighbors show up and, hey, we picked you guys to be our new neighbors. Why don't you guys move in? And then third party endorsement, let the neighbors that have showed up explain how great the neighborhood is.
I've done that countless times. We'll usually try to find the most active person on social media in a neighborhood and specifically give them incentive to come out and hang out at the house. And they
Uh,
will talk nonstop about the neighborhood. And so we usually park them out front under the shade on a lawn chair and make sure they're amply fed.
Maybe a margarita or two, just possibly.
And they will entertain all day long.
They are the best salesmen for the neighborhoods. You get some good, happy neighbors, and they will sit there. We feed them. And no matter who comes through, they will talk that neighborhood up and talk about all of the fun and activities and everything that the neighborhood provides. And people love coming and sitting and meeting their neighbors.
Yeah, and it gives a great sense of belonging and community right off the bat.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Especially if you can find somebody who's been in the neighborhood a long time.
Yeah.
They seem to know a lot of the people, and we try to target people that are on HOA boards and have some presence in the community. And they love to just come hang out all afternoon.